All right, so here it is, the rear SKS Mudrocker fender. It is very easy to mount up and offers awesome coverage, especially with the extra tailpiece added on that gives you a couple extra inches of spray coverage from back here. And it's got a piece that fills in the gap between the seat stays and the seat tube. Mounting is really slick. It's got just 4 of the Velcro and silicone backed straps to hold it on. 2 on there, 2 on the other side, and I mean, even if I'm get back here, if I'm flapping the back around, the front is holding rock solid, which is what you're going to want for a fender on your mountain bike. Something that is really cool about this is the rubber insert here is reversible. So you can put the thicker part down here or the thicker part up here, and what that will do is it will change the angle and the distance between the fender and the tire. So you don't have this fender sticking way up in the air or down on the tire rubbing. You've got a built-in mechanism to adjust the look and the clearance up under there simply by switching that thing around. So you can tune it to your bike, you can adjust it between bikes. And this is going to keep you and your backside much cleaner out on the trail.